Hey guys, it's Bryan with the Whissel Realty Group. I wanted to be the first one to introduce you to a great new listing over in the Lake Murray-La Mesa area. This townhome is located in the Daybreak community. This community rarely has units available and they go very quick, so come take a look at this one as soon as possible. This one has 2 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, just under 1,200 square feet, hardwood flooring downstairs, granite countertops in the kitchen, and stainless steel appliances with its own attached garage and 2 patios to enjoy the sun in the summertime here in La Mesa. Come on out, take a look at this home. I know you're gonna love it. For more information about this home or any other home in La Mesa or all of San Diego County, I'd love to connect with you. My number is 858-254-1207.